Hi, I'm Savva, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to answer the frequently asked question of how much mess or disruption will there be at my apartment if I decide to have a CallU air conditioning system installed. Given that over 90% of the installations we carry out are retrofit installations, it's completely understandable that you'd have that anxiety or worry if you were about to commission us to do an air conditioning installation and your property's beautifully finished, wallpaper on the walls, beautiful flooring, lovely furnishings. How much mess will that entail, and how much will you have to do in terms of moving things out the way? We carry out many hundreds of installations per year, and we've been doing this for a number of years, and truly we are the experts when it comes to fully installed internal solutions in finished apartments. We are specialists in running the pipework and all the services we need discreetly behind walls, over ceilings, etc., with no disruption to your decor. Typically, we'd install 1 to 3 systems in an apartment. We'd have the condenser in a utility space. We'd route the pipework from that utility space up into the ceiling voids and then to the destination rooms that you want cooled. When we leave the property, you will literally think it's been installed from day one. There'll be no pipework on show and very little to none with regards to the amount of touch-up that you will need to do. All our installations are carried out by our in-house engineers who we've trained and have a vast experience in working in finished apartments. We are fully qualified and insured to a very high level just in case something does go wrong, but this is just a precaution. All the installations that are carried out are done so by our in-house installation teams, and they are fully trained and insured and fully used to working in finished properties for retrofit installations on a daily basis. We take all the necessary precautions to either move, protect, or cover up any furnishings that may be in the way of the installation, so you really do not have to worry and you can trust us with your home. If you have any questions on what I've just said, then please by all means call us on the number below or visit our website. Thank you.